folks. Sorry, I'm in my car. Just wanted to shoot this quick video of I just purchased this Smooth-Q 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. Supposedly, I did some reading on it. Supposedly, it's pretty good product. I'm hoping that it actually helps me stabilize my video, because I notice a lot of the video I take is kind of shaky. I use my phone quite a bit to shoot videos, so hopefully this would help me out to some point. Definitely will do a review on it once I've had the opportunity to use it. But anyway, this is the packaging. Pretty nice. Seems like it's packaged pretty well. So what they say is what the box says. Direct mobile charging through gimbal. So apparently you can plug the phone up and it'll actually charge also. Obviously it has its own battery in the gimbal, and we'll have to see how that works out. Also, instant manual zooming. I have to figure out what that is, what's so instant about it. And wow, 12 hours continuous work time. We'll have to test that out. And of course you can mount it landscape or portrait mode. Comes with obviously the cable. Not sure if that's USB-C yet. I haven't really dug into this thing too much, so just happened to see it. It was a good price. I bought it. I believe this is a case for it. We'll have to open up and check it out. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Don't have a knife in the car with me, unfortunately. I don't like sharp objects near my interior, so we're gonna have to improvise a little bit. Haha, ballpoint pen. Just need to get it going a little, and I'll kind of rip into it. Sorry if you hear air conditioning noise. It's a little hot in this car, so let's see what we got here. And bear with me, I'm using one hand and kind of holding my phone with the other, so I know that may make for a pretty rough looking video, but unfortunately, like I said, I'm in my car. Let's put that to the side. That's a nice amount of plastic there. Okay, looks like it's just stickers on the side. Uh-oh. Whoops. And I believe it just kind of slides out of here. So let's get that plastic out of here. And if you're just tuning in, I'm in my car, obviously, so I'm trying my best to unbox this thing. Okay, what do we have here? Packaging's pretty nice. And obviously it's wrapped in this plastic. And put that aside for now. And the way it feels in here, it feels like it's already in the case. So just as I thought, this is a case. It almost looks like a bike seat, but I just assumed it was a case. It looks like I'm right about that. And so what we have here, have this inner piece. This is obviously an instruction manual, like who uses that. And it looks like we have once again, bear with me. I'm in my car, trying my best. This looks like some kind of strap of some sort. Yeah, pretty much a strap. It has these little plastic clasps. We'll figure out what that's all about at some point. It looks like this. Looks to be the USB cable. It looks like it's micro USB, not USB-C. I'm assuming this, you know, you can charge with it. And maybe it was also meant to plug into the phone also as a charging cable for the phone. But like I said, it's not USB-C, it's micro USB, so keep that in mind. You may need your own cable for charging, obviously. Okay, let's dig into the actual device. Let's see. And I know I keep apologizing for this, but I'm in my car, so please bear with me. Okay, so this looks like, wow, I mean, it's a pretty nice case. It's pretty nice. Okay, and I'm thinking, now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking that this strap kind of goes, it connects to the case. And it looks like you can just, it's a shoulder strap of some sort. It almost looks like a bike seat, and then now that I look at it, it almost looks like a guitar case or something, but very interesting. But anyway, we're not here to see the case, so let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's pretty nice. It has it's pretty soft touch inside. It's not padded, I wouldn't say, but there is like a little air type of barrier between the outer case and the inner. So, I mean, I'm guessing that'll probably be good enough. And obviously, we have our fresh packet here. Do not eat or swallow. I don't know why anybody would do that, but guess it needs to be said. And this is the gimbal. From what I gathered, it has it feels pretty good. It's like a little D-pad type of design. It doesn't push. It's not a button. It's just a D-pad, up, down, left, right, of course, and everything in between. Looks like you can cycle through modes here. That button. That looks like a picture. I guess you can actually start recording or take the picture or snap a shot with that button. Maybe you hold it down, and that also serves as a power button, it looks like. And we have, looks like a zoom. And keep in mind, I have not used these before. This would be my first actual gimbal. Thought I needed it because my videos were coming out pretty shaky, so hopefully this will help. And there's your micro USB. I'm assuming that's for charging. And looks like you can actually set this on a tripod also, which is nice. Okay, here we go. I was actually just about to say I don't see where you actually plug in. Okay, so that's USB. That's the US. As you can see, my video is super shaky. This is what I'm hoping to actually solve. Okay, but in any case, this is the USB port. So I guess it's going to be USB to whatever. I mean, if you have USB-C for your phone, I guess you would plug your own cable provided with your phone. So that's a pretty good feature. I like that. That would hopefully extend the your record time while you're out. So acts as a little storage power bank. And from what I mean, the feeling, it feels actually pretty good. The handle's plastic, but it's not a cheap feeling plastic. It feels pretty sturdy. And as far as the whole gimbal arm and the whole setup, this feels to be metal, some maybe aluminum. So I'm thinking everything here is aluminum. When it comes to the actual mount for the phone, that's plastic. I'm obviously gonna do a review once I've actually set it up and learn to use it. Like I said, I've never used one of these before, so hopefully it'll help me in stabling my video. I'll definitely take it out and try to get some footage with it. And when I get that done, I'll do another review on how I think it actually works. So, pretty exciting. New toy. So, I'll see how it works, and then I'll definitely get back with you guys on that. Once again, this is the unboxing for the Smooth-Q. It's a 3-axis gimbal smartphone stabilizer.